Join me as I brave the chaos of Helsinki's Christmas market in Senate Square. I have a look around at some of the best treats and food while trying to dodge all the crowds. So I've seen other videos online of people going to this Christmas market and having a great time. But let's have a look and see what it's really like and see if it's truly worth braving the crowds. With so many people flocking to the market, navigating through here can be overwhelming and detract from the festive spirit. The smells of glögg and gingerbread fill the air, enticing visitors to explore the many stalls on offer. But as you make your way through the crowded alleys, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos. You find yourself dodging elbows and strollers, and all while trying to take in the sights and sounds of the market. Despite the excitement, it's hard not to feel a bit suffocated by the sheer number of people here. As you try to take a closer look at the various stalls, you're constantly jolted and pushed by fellow shoppers. It's a sensory overload, to say the least. You'll see people desperately trying to grab a quick photo in front of this festive backdrop, only to be photobombed by other people in the background. And don't even get me started on the lines of the popular food stalls. Be prepared to wait for at least 20 minutes just to taste those delicious looking sausages and all the other treats are on offer. Now, talking about the food, we did try a couple of things. We tried the salmon soup from one of the stalls. It was potato salmon with dill. It was delicious, I will say, but that did cost us €15 for that. Was it worth €15? Probably not. It was really good, but €15 was a lot. We also got the kids I would say it's like a waffle crepe with ice cream in and Nutella. We got one each for the kids, so two of those, €15 each. Really good, but that's a lot of money. And then my wife had a salmon wrap. That was another €15. Very, very tasty. But after those 4 snacks, wow, €60 down already. So not a cheap experience. So we continue to look around. Despite the chaos, there is something undeniably festive about the experience. You can't help but get caught up in the excitement of the season, even if you've been squashed by the crowds. Maybe it's the twinkling lights or the sound of Christmas carols floating through the air, but whatever it is infectious. As the night wears on, the crowds only seem to get thicker. You'll start to wonder if it's all worth it. Is the festive atmosphere enough to make up for the chaos and confusion? One of the standout features of the Helsinki Christmas market is its unique stalls, each one offering something entirely new and different. From handmade crafts to traditional Finnish clothing, there's something here for everyone at this market. But alongside the festive fun, there are some more practical considerations to take into account. For one thing, the market can get extremely cold. So when we visited, this is actually the 21st of December, so very close to Christmas, so wrap up warm. Wrap up very warm. And obviously, as I've mentioned, the prices for the food. Yeah, be prepared to spend a bit of money. They are on the pricey side, some of them. But on the other hand, the atmosphere is undeniably festive, and you will find yourselves getting caught up in the excitement of the season. So you will enjoy yourself with the food, and of course you've got to enjoy the glögg as well whilst you're there. The glögg is always guaranteed to warm you up on the cold night. As the night wore on, I started to reflect on my experience at the market. Was it worth braving the crowds and the chaos? In the end, I'd have to say yes. Despite the overwhelming nature of the market, there's something truly special about the atmosphere. It's a place where strangers become friends, where the stresses of everyday life melt away, and where the festive spirit reigns supreme. In summary, while the crowds can be daunting, the vibrant atmosphere and unique offerings make Helsinki's Christmas market a worthwhile visit during the holiday season. So afterwards, I decided we'll get away from the market and let's enjoy Helsinki on the bar, come tram. We'll sit down, have a few drinks and enjoy the sights. Great way to end the day. So this bar tram costs €12 per person and it takes you on a 40-minute journey around the town, and there is a bar aboard where you can order drinks, obviously some beers and non-alcoholic options as well. But a great way to spend some time, especially as we had a couple of hours to kill before our next adventure. Join us next time to find out more.